Can I drive my car with a bad knock sensor? I'm going to try to answer that question for you today. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Well, we have a video that explains what knock sensors actually do. But when the knock sensor is not functioning, typically it's going to turn your check engine light on, and so you won't be able to pass the emissions test, at least here in Arizona. Secondly, the computer is going to go into some defaults. So you're probably going to have a little less crisp acceleration, and you'll probably have a little less fuel economy. But it's not going to do any damage. You can drive it until you have the opportunity to get it fixed. But for best fuel economy and best performance, you will want to get it handled. So I hope this helps you understand whether or not you can drive your car. And until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.